Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can create these type of videos. Here first you have to open your browser and you have to search for InVideo. Now here you can see this first link on the top, click on that. And here you can see the website. Here you can see all about the website, how it looks and how it works. For login you have to click on generate video now. Here they will give you some option for login. Here if you already have an account then you can go and you can log in with the login option, and if you're new here then you can sign up. As I'm new here, so I'll just go with sign up, and here you can sign up with your Google ID or with your Apple ID or with your email. So for now I will just go with my Google ID and will sign up here. After sign up you have to choose your name and your workshop name. So I have picked mine. Now here you have to give them a reason, like where you find about them, where you hear about them. So here you have to select that, and then you have to describe like why you want to use this invoice for film generation, animation, short videos. Here you have to give a reason, and then you have to provide them your date of birth. They also has an app available on both iOS devices and Android devices. You can download that from your App Store or Play Store. And that's it, our account has been created. Here you can see their short videos where you can make your short videos, and here you can also make like long explanatory videos. You can see this option here as well, and here you can also create animation videos with the help of this invoice. And here in the bottom you can see their workflow where you can see your workflows, and here if you will click on these three lines you can see here options like AI voice clone, text to clip, text to image, and many more options. And similarly here you have access to many models. You can see here you have access to V3.0, V2.0 and V1.0. Their latest one is basically V3.0, so I will highly suggest you going with this V3.0. V2.0 was generated previously, and the first one was this V1.0. For generating a video, here you have to describe your prompt, what type of video you want. Now here just I have written my prompt and will create a video out of it. I will just go with their V3.0 model, and here click on generate. Now wait for some time. Now here you have two options. You can go with their generative media or you can use their stock media. Their generative media is paid basically, but their stock media is free, so I will just go with the stock media here. After selecting the media, here you have to select the duration, like if you want 1 minute long video, 30-second long video, or you want 1.5 minute. And here you have to select the audience, like if your audience is a young adult, coffee lovers, or motivational seekers. And here after that you have to select the platform, like if you want it for YouTube short, or if you want it for Instagram reel. I will just go with YouTube short here. Our video is ready, so let's go and play.
If you're a dreamer, then you need to feel the sea. Let the waves carry you where the sky meets the horizon. As the sun dips low, painting the sky in hues of gold and pink, we run to the water's edge. Laughter in the air, feet sinking into the sand, each breeze a gentle touch, reminding us of the freedom we once knew. We reach up, fingertips grazing the sky, chasing dreams as boundless as the ocean.
Now here you have seen that how the video turned out. It was really nice and amazing seeing these faceless videos created in just few minutes. What makes this InVideo more best that they have also launched the edit option where you can edit the media. You can also edit the music here. Here you can also change the script according to your own choice. And here in setting you have more options, like here you can see your overlay, your transition, your subtitle, your text, and all these things. Now let's go and try one more. Here just click on generate. Now again you can choose from your stock or generative media. I will just go with my stock one. Now the duration, if you want 1 minute, 30-second or 15 minute, and the audience, and then the platform. Now here this time I will just go with Instagram reel here. And now here you have to wait for some minute, and our video is ready, so let's go and play how it turned out.
If you let go for just one moment, imagine spinning barefoot on a hill, dress swirling, hair tangled in the breeze. The sky stretches wide, endless, forgiving. You let go of worries, shed the weight of yesterday. With every spin, your heart opens a little more. Freedom isn't somewhere far away, it's right here.
Freelancer basically charge a lot amount of money for creating these faceless videos, but with the help of InVideo you can create this type of video in just few minutes. And similarly here you can also go and you can edit your video. Here again you can edit your media, where you can edit your music as well. You can change your script as well, and in setting you can change the layout, transitions, all these things. And similarly from here you can also download. Simply click on download, and if you want to download without the watermark then you have to upgrade, but if you will download it with the watermark and in the normal AA branding then it can be exported freely. So you can do that and you can export that freely. But if you want to remove the watermark and if you want high AA branding then you have to go and you have to upgrade. Now let's talk about how you can upgrade. Now here simply go and click on upgrade. Now here you can see their plans. They have their free plan, plus plan, maximum plan and generative plan. So here you can see the prices and what features they include. We are currently on their free plan. Here you can see the maximum plan, their generative plan prices, and here you can see the features they offer here. Here you can see that plus plan includes 15 AI mints and 80 AI stocks, and here you have no generative credits, and in free plan you also don't have any generative credits, and in the maximum plan you also don't have any generative credit. You have here 200 AI mints and almost 320 AI stock. In the generative plan you only have 15 mint generative credits. And you can buy that
feet
if you
sinking
want
into the
credits, and
sand,
that was all
hearts
about how you can
save
set
a
up
whisper,
anything
each
useful
breeze a
in
gentle
video.
touch.
If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.